Hi, so it's Dan Armstrong with the hand surgeons at the Pulvertaft Hand Centre. We're going to go through how to draw an Adelaide suture for flexor tendon repair for the exam. So we have two sides of a tendon. I like to be able to see the gap in the middle, and that shows you know a little bit more what you're doing. This is going to be our code for a suture that you can see, or / external, and then the dotted line is the path that it takes within the tendon. So in reality, and for this I start on the edge, we go through. That's the external bit, that's the external bit. Coming obliquely across here, which will give you an oblique line across the gap. We bring it to here, then we do it across, and then up, and then across, back through the tendon, to the side, back to the edge. Then we're going to suture externally, internally, suture externally, and back internally. You'll normally get a cross across the center, or something equivalent to external, external, internal again, and then come in and tie off your knot. And so the external features would be 4 little crosses, and your knot hopefully will be a little bit more buried than that. There is a more schematic way if you want to really try and speed things up. You draw your 2 ends of your sutures. The ones you can see, you're going to have a straight line, and then a cross in the middle. You'll then also have crosses here, crosses here, crosses here, and crosses here. Your knot obviously is going to be there. You can then add things to the lines that are closest to them. And then obviously your internal sutures from your little crosses. And that could be a slightly quicker way of doing things. However, if you go back to the original, which shows a little bit more that you can go through it in your head, and it's down to first principles, which is always a useful thing. 2 ends, as you've seen. We've got the knot starting here, so start here, going internally, cross, cross, more of an oblique line because we're going into the opposite corner, cross, cross, and tie it off there. So in the end, you're wanting 4 external crosses, you're wanting a cross in the center, 2 parallel lines either side of that, and then tying it off wherever you feel the need. Hope that was useful. Thanks.